Hello again, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Still reviewing Matchbox series Lesney from England from the 60s, 70s and 80s. In this case I have this wonderful aircraft, the Curtiss SBC-4 Helldiver. It's a very double wing model with some shelfware of the main small box, original box, and you cannot see this. The signature of the artist is still the Roy Hoskley, the painter. Very nice. I love this. This is a classic. So as always, let's show the sights, how the aircraft is looking like parked on ground with this version. From the catalog, Matchbox catalog, it should be the PK-35. It's manufactured in 1980. This is the last year when Lesney were manufacturing it in England. After that, they were manufactured in Macau. So when they were manufactured in Macau, no display stand included on the kits. So that's the reason why I really love the ones which one made in England. Okay, there are too many languages, such as Czech with this, English, French, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, Swedish and Netherlands. Okay, sometimes modelers should have to use the magnifying glasses for it, and because too many small letters to read. Well, that's the other way you could display your aircraft, your dodo, with the same plastic colors, the yellow parts and the brown one, and it will looks like very original, very nice. They are suggesting no painting necessary. Okay, that's for the lazy modelers, but we want modelers who really loves the process, the long process. Well, the back of the box, I really love this feature, the window, in order to see what's inside. Very important. And the makings, this one is gonna be the main one, just like suggesting the cover of the box. This is for the Curtiss SBC-4 Air Group Commander's Aircraft, USS Enterprise, 1940. Okay, it's for the ships. The rigging wires, it should be placed in the aircraft. This is the top view with the yellow top wing with the American insignias, and this other one is Cleveland 1 A flight, number 24 Squadron, Royal Air Force, Hendon, October 1940. Cleveland 1, but it's from the British Squadron. Nice. The top of the top view, and well, that's interesting features about this lovely box. Let's open this way. Open it up this way. Let's take the parts out. We gotta be so careful with the transclear parts. we got some accident with these transclear parts. Building instructions in 4 folds, well, 4 areas, zones. Okay. Okay, this weird, the main cover here, but in a small manner, I don't know. Okay, building instructions, the makings, part of the makings, the painting list, the French blue, aluminium, trainer yellow, dark green, yellow, dark air, flesh, tank gray, cockpit green, matte black, gunmetal, etc. First time with makings and on the building instructions, because as I told you, it's from 1980. Well, extra information, that's fine, no problem. And the steps, very easy to follow, 8 steps only. Number 1, assembling the pilots and seats, the floor of the cockpit, the motor, the engine and the cowling and the propeller with the 3 blades, supports, assembling the cockpit into the fuselage, the horizontal stabilizers in one piece with the supports, the cowling, the engine cowling, etc. Assembling the lower wings, assembling the transclear canopies, the guns, the supports, the wing supports for the upper wing, of course, the struts, all the struts with the landing gear and the exhaust pipes and the little pieces, how to paint the little pieces before assembling. That's they recommend that, and some features about the transclear canopy. Well, I don't see the transclear display stand explanation here. So weird to me, but I've got the transclear inside. Anyway, the original decals or water stickers paper with the 2 versions. The same problem with the cover protector, very old. This one is not so bad. It's not sounding like it is ripping. That's fine. Wow, it's a miracle. Very nice. No problem, because it's got kind of lucky. That's fine. The name of the aircraft in order to place on one side of the display stand, M-shape display stand. Well, insignias, very good. This is very good quality stickers, water stickers. Very small paper, no problem. The gray plastic parts still originally attached to the sprue. The pilots, the engine cowling, the engine radial engine cylinders, the floor, the cockpit floor, struts, supports, landing gear, no, supports, just supports. This is for the cockpit, the solid area, the solid zone of the cockpit. How to call it, please? Canopy. All right. the fuselages with very smooth panel lines, a little bit raised, not big deal, but very nice. Let's make a little joint here. It's a rehearsal, very small aircraft because of the scale. Oh, nice. And the yellow parts, the yellow sprue with the upper wing, okay, in 2 halves. It's not solid, that's 2 halves, right? And the lower ones are in 1 solid mold, no halves, the lower wing in yellow, because this is a 2-colored kit. And the horizontal stabilizers are made in 1 mold, solid mold, no halves either, and the propeller with 3 blades, as you see, the wheels, inner panels, the gun, these are the exhaust pipes. Well, nice, very nice contrast with this blue background. I really love this, so I'm enjoying this. And we gotta be careful with this, as I told you about the small canopies. It should be placed here, and the rest of the canopies, there are 3 canopies, the M-shape base, Matchbox, and look at this, the pivot system. I push it at the ball, for the ball socket piece, and this is the main support, and this is how it works when it is completely assembled. Look what nice feature. I really love this feature, definitely. I love this. That's for Matchbox, the English Matchbox genuine design. So congrats for this brand. I really love that. I insist. Well, the aircraft got 50 pieces, and the dimensions are 11 centimeters long, or length, by 14.3 centimeters wingspan. So that's all about this wonderful aircraft, the Curtiss Helldiver SBC-4 from Matchbox brand. So I hope it is a very good, helpful review for you. So thank you very much for watching, and let's go on to the next Matchbox review. Bye bye.